Hello and studying also. So today we are here to discuss about new topic, grammar topic. Our topic name is noun. We'll start this topic by activity method. You will be enjoying here also. So let's start. Hello. So let us observe all the pictures given in the next slides one by one. Are you ready? You can see all the pictures one by one and you can give the answer in comment box also. Flower, laptop, trees, school, beach, hills. You all know about it. Teacher, mother. Daily you see your mother. Books. Daily you use your books. Table. House. Vegetables. Ground. India. Festivals. Doctor. And it's all about feelings. You can see here somebody has happiness. So what we observed in previous clips, can you tell me what did you see? Person, place, things, animals. What is the meaning? Why did you observe all the things? Every person, places, things, animals, feelings and ideas have its own names. Can you think in your mind? Every person, places, things, animals, feelings and ideas have its own names. Yes. In other words, we can say that these all have their names, which is called what? Whatever you observed in previous clips, in previous pictures, we can say that these all have their names also. Yes or no? Yes. And which is called? Naming words. Yes. All naming words are nouns. And nouns are everywhere. While sitting, while eating, while reading. Okay? So it's all about noun. So let's have a look. People. Name of the people. Name of the place. Name of the animals. Name of the things. These all are having their names. See a picture here. Can you tell me who is she? Mother. Next one. Doctor. Shopkeeper. Daily you go to shop to purchase something. Father. So here mother, doctor. Next one. Home, park, school, hospital. It's all about places. Daily you go to places. If you're not going daily, sometimes you go to on that places. Sometimes you are feeling sick, then you go to hospital. If you are going to enjoy, then you go to park. If you have to eat food, then you have to go at your home. Next one. Flower, books, table, vegetables. It's all about things. These all are things which are using by yourself. Okay. Here, dog, hen, elephant, cow. It's all about animals. They all have their names. Friendship. Oh, it's hurting. Pain. Knowledge. Happiness. It's all about your feelings and ideas. Can you tell me now what is noun? What did you observe in previous clips, in previous pictures? Can you tell me what is noun? Let's discuss. And name of any idea or feelings. So, if we want to say in one sentence, noun is the name of a person, place, things, animals, feelings or ideas. So let's have a song on it. Are you ready for this song? This song has made by me and this song has sung by me also. So you can also sing after me. You can see this video again for this song. So let's have a song on it.
A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Feelings or ideas, all are naming. A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Feeling or ideas, all are naming. My mother is a person, my table is a thing. All are naming, all are naming. My mother is a person, my table is a thing. All are naming, all are naming. All are naming. My garden is a place, my happiness is feelings. All are naming, all are naming. A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Feelings or ideas, all are naming.
So, did you enjoy that song? Yes. So you can sing this song also. After watching this video, you can see again this video. So now it's an activity time. What will you do after watching this picture? On screen, you are watching a picture here. What you have to do? You have to identify the noun. Many things are here. Okay. You have to naming out these all the things. Just suppose if you are circling this thing, what is this? Book. So same as you have to circle out all the things and you have to give the names also. Okay. Next one, after doing that activity, you can come on the next activity. What you have to do on this? You have to underline the naming words. What is the naming words? It is called nouns in the sentence given below. I'll give you one example here. because it has its special name. Delhi also, it is a noun because it is a place. So same as you also have to do this activity. I hope you all understood about this introductory part of the noun. In next video we are going to discuss about types of noun. Till then, thank you so much.